Does your MX-135 sound like this? That's the sound of your engine's valves, and it's trying to tell you something. Let's talk about valve clearance. It's the tiny necessary gap between the rocker arm and the valve stem. Over time, this gap can increase due to wear and tear. When it's too big, you get that loud clatter. It's a sign your bike needs a tune-up. The fix is a valve adjustment. A mechanic measures the gap and tightens the adjuster nut to the correct specification. A properly adjusted valve train runs quietly and efficiently, ensuring optimal performance and extending your engine's life. So don't ignore the clatter. A little maintenance goes a long way. Ride safe.